look at the resources page. When you go to flippinggenius.com, there it is, flippinggenius.com, uh, you can go to the resources button, or if we go back to the welcome page, let's take you back there. You're going to come to this resources page, click on that, go to the link, and it's going to take you to our resources page. This is a place where you can save money and make money. And we do have some affiliate deals worked out where they'll actually pay us a little bit of money, but everybody's got to earn a little money, right? But the fact is, it doesn't affect what you save. So I'm gonna start first with tires, parts, and tools and stuff. And I've talked about this before. Uh, Recently, I needed to get tires for my wife's car. We just went to Tire Rack, Discount, Tire Direct, Tire America, and Priority Tire. I think I got quotes from all of those, and it turned out Discount Tire Direct was by far the best for the little Suzuki Grand Vitara that my wife drives, and it saved us a couple $100, even beyond the cost that my great friends at Dennis Johnson Auto were able to deliver. So that saved me a couple $100. And also, you might recall I talked about Auto Barn. I needed an alternator for a Ford F-150 we were selling, and again, Dennis and the guys, Gary down there, tried to get me a good deal, but Auto Barn was able to save me $100 on that part. Just an example. So you've got parts here from Auto Barn, Find It Parts, Advanced Auto Parts. Frankly, they're a little expensive usually, but you get a 15% discount if you go through us. Parts Geeks. Anyway, you can check this out on your own. I'm not going to go through all this. And I'll even have some on here like Amazon.com. Obviously, that's a good place. Rock Auto. They're not an affiliate deal with us, but I don't think they affiliate with anybody that's not Giant. Harbor Freight, I buy a lot of tools from them. I just recommend them. And you see here, I want to point to the screen with my finger. That doesn't work. Carpart.com. You've heard me talk a lot about them. That's a great place to get used car parts. They link up all of the junkyards all across America and Canada. Great way to save money. You can use a used part, save you time too. And if you save money, you make money, right? Now, if we go back to the top, just to make this simple, if you go to repair tips, click here. This is an area I'm trying to build on. So if you got any tips for me to share, share the tips with me at the Flippers forum. Let me know things I can add here. I got Scotty Kilmer on there, and Scotty always entertains me, and he's got some great ideas on how to fix things and how to keep things from needing to be fixed. I think he's a genius, really. Of course, YouTube is just loaded with details like that. So that's there. And of course, my buddies at Dennis Johnson Auto Repair, give them a little plug here. They're local here in Madison, Alabama. Not really looking to do business worldwide or anything, but I just put them on there. If we go back to the top again, you can see, if we go to business and finance, I just mentioned that the other day. The first thing you're going to see here is something I've talked about a lot in the past. ITEX, which is a barter association that I belong to. And my buddy Gene Townley recently sold his business, so Gene's name's still on there. I got to change that. Check out Cover Wallet. If you're thinking about getting a dealer's license, you might want to check out Cover Wallet. It gives some good rates on insurance and any business insurance you're looking for. You're going to see Fiverr, Melody Folstrup, who you've heard on episode 31, talking about business coaching. I endorse Melody. She's helped me a lot with my marketing, and actually she's going to probably be speaking at some of the conventions this year for auto dealers, because Melody's developing some knowledge of our business. So check her out there. Of course, TurboTax, I use them for my taxes, so I recommend them too. And all around coaching, hey, if you go back to episode 38, you'll listen to Zach Pritchard. Zach's got some great ideas. And down here is the NIADA, the National Independent Auto Dealers Association. I just mentioned them in episode 68 again, because if you are looking, if you're considering getting your dealer's license, you already have your dealer's license. If you have any questions about the car business, the car industry, the used car dealer business, I recommend that you go to this website, and then once you do, you're going to be able to access your local state site. Square is something I use to do transactions on credit cards. These are not affiliates again. ASC Warranty is a warranty company that I use, and if you're a licensed dealer, you'll be able to hook up with them, I believe. A couple other businesses I do business with, AMS or IMS Barter, Trade Bank. These are other barter competitors of iTex. I belong to all three of them. Highly recommend all three of them. And you heard Danny Kirkland from Westlake Flooring talk to us back in episode 20. If you want to learn more about floor planning, check on that and look into it. I don't do any floor planning myself. Check with Danny Kirkland. He's a great guy. He might be able to help you. You go down to accessories, and I'm just bouncing back and forth so you can see. And you can see all these things. These wipers are awesome. You're going to see all the things that are available. And then you come down to auctions. Again, NIADA is going to give you a ton of auction possibilities. And then if you go to your local dealer, your local state association site, I know in Alabama, we have got a ton of auctions that are available. And our local representative, our the CEO of the Alabama Independent Auto Dealers Association, you heard several times on our podcast, Randy Jones. He's hooked us up with great deals on our local auctions where we actually save money on fees. Probably the same thing in your association out in Colorado and California and Minnesota and all across the country. So check them out. And go Copart auctions. I know a lot of you guys have talked about that. I don't have a lot of experience with Copart. I've sold some things through them, and you can check them out there too. Go back up to the top just to show you how this thing works. We go down to marketing and sales. Again, you're going to see a bunch of things here to help you with your business. That's really what we're trying to do, is give you ways to build your business. And of course, here is our Flipping Genius groups. These are all our sales groups. I think we actually have a couple more got to add. It is not enough time in the days, guys. But a lot of these sites that said 5,000 and less, they've been raised up to $7,000 and less. You'll see we've got two groups in Huntsville, Alabama, where I reside, and those are big, powerful groups. Our under $5,000 group has over almost 27,000 people in it, and I think about 12,000 people that we have blocked because they've broken the rules. And that's the beautiful thing about our Flipping Genius Facebook sales groups, is they are kept pure. The only thing you're going to see on there are vehicles for sale, and they're only going to be vehicles for sale in that price range and only in that area of the country. In Omaha, Nebraska, you're only going to see Nebraska cars, maybe a couple Iowa cars, in that area, all for under $7,000 now, not under $5,000. Same thing, Orlando, Florida, only the local area and only those cars. As you scroll down here, you're going to see some great stuff, like the 3-hour car flip course that I've talked about so much is on here. Our good friend Jeremy Fisher and his course. You've got actually you can watch some sample videos. Here's Rachel Eubanks and her course, Inspire to Engage. Or no, her course is I'm sorry, I'm drawing a blank, but Rachel's course on how to identify your customer is like the best $20 you can spend. The best $50 you can spend is right here on, I'm pointing at the screen again, folks, with my finger instead of the pointer, is a 3-hour car flip, $50. And Jeremy literally walks you through the business. Did such a great job that I decided not to do what he does. If you're in town, check out Nick's Restaurante. This is an awesome book, another awesome book. Remember Kathy Cruz, she's got 3 books. This one's free to help you out and as we come out of COVID. and some more beneficial sites that will help you build your business. So go to the Flipping Genius resources page, and if there's anything that you'd recommend that we add to the page, let me know. If you've got any questions, email me at flippingquestions@gmail.com, or just go on the Flippers forum and ask about us there. And if you wanted to know how to get to the Flippers forum, go back to the welcome page and come right down here, and there's Flippers forum. Could click on that and you can go to the, hey, thanks for listening, and make sure you check us out on the Flipping Genius YouTube channel. We've got all of our videos on there. You got all 68 episodes so far are available wherever you listen to podcasts, so you can download them, carry them with you, and listen even when you don't have Wi-Fi. And remember, the whole goal of Flipping Genius is to help our listeners make more money. Thanks for listening. Have a great day. Let's work together. Let's make some money. Let's all become flipping geniuses. Adios.